Thinking of starting an e-commerce business with the potential to make you millions of dollars but only have limited capital? Welcome to our deep dive into Amazon dropshipping. Picture this. You live in a world where you sell products on Amazon without worrying about storage or shipping payments. Dropshipping is all about selling products without handling them. What separates you from other dropshippers selling the same product will be your price, marketing, and customer service efforts. Amazon has specific rules for dropshipping. One of them is that you have to be the seller of record for your products. Identify yourself as the seller on all packing slips, invoices, external packaging, and other information, and remove any information identifying a third-party dropshipper as the seller. Say you list products from another online retailer and have that retailer ship directly to customers. That's a big no-no on Amazon. Both instances could lead to the end of your dropshipping business. Now that you had all the terminology and warning signs out of the way, let's get to the basics of starting a dropshipping business on Amazon. Step 1. Set up your Amazon account. This part is easy. All you need to prepare is your personal, billing, and tax information. When you're setting up your seller account, you will have to choose between having an individual or a professional account. The individual account is a plan where Amazon charges you on a per-item basis, while the professional account is a fixed rate each month, regardless of the products you've sold. Step 2 is all about diving deep into research. It's more than just picking a product to source from a supplier you found on Alibaba. It's about discovering a niche that consistently demands attention. Think beyond the ordinary and find products that stand out due to their unique nature or undeniable utility. The main tools we've used for years at EcomCrew are Jungle Scout and Helium 10. Attending trade shows can be a goldmine for connecting with suppliers directly, giving you the chance to establish a personal rapport and better understand their product quality and capabilities. Once you've narrowed down your search, make sure to ask questions and determine things like their inventory management, fulfillment process, return policy, and payment terms. You'll also want to ink a dropshipping contract with your chosen supplier to avoid any hiccups once your business is up and running. Here's the final step. List your product on Amazon. You'll need engaging titles, compelling descriptions, and high-quality images that grab attention. We'll leave a link to an article below to help you get started with creating an optimized listing. Dropshipping is one of the easiest ways to get started with online selling. Remember to do your research on a product, test it out before you add it to your storefront, and build a relationship with your customers. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.